Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Stephanie and I'm the mom here at From Arrows to Warriors. If you're new, welcome. I am so glad you're here. In our home, we have 3 arrows. We have Alana, who is 11, Cayman, who is 7, and Malachi is 5. We also have 2 English bulldogs and we have 4 chickens. I have names for them, but I can't tell them apart right now. So they haven't fully been individually named, but there's Disney names picked out. We are now a camper family, we're a homestead family, and we're a blended family. So if any of those things, and a homeschool family, don't let me forget that. If you're any of these things, you're probably going to enjoy my page. At least I hope you do. And if you do, please make sure you give me a thumbs up for this video and you tap that subscribe button and that bell so you know when I post my new videos. And this video, as you can see, is inside of a camper. We finally did it. We did it. We finally got a camper. If you know and have watched any of our videos, I've discussed before that our goal was to buy a camper and then buy a piece of property and live in the camper until we built our home. And the reason for that is because we want to spend more on our land. And so by doing that, it's going to take us a little bit longer to build, but we're okay with that because our goal is to be as self-sufficient as possible on our own land. And the house is just something that will be, in to cover our heads. So the house is not as important as the property. So that's the reason we are in this stage. Okay, so we finally bought a fifth wheel camper. It is a used fifth wheel camper. It is a 2014 Sundance by HeartLand, and it's got some work that needs to be done. Like I said, it is used. We are doing some work to it right now. We've already started. We just got it on the 14th of April, and so we've been slowly doing some work on it. So today's video is more or less just going to show you a quick walkthrough of the camper. I wish I would have done a more detailed video, but I didn't. And we've already started the renos, so there's no way to go back and show you the before. But that's okay. It's okay. I'm going to show you the quick video that I have. It'll be at the end. And I'm going to start a weekly video on reno. So as we're tearing stuff down, demolition, doing the redo, doing all the things, I'm going to record our progress, and that's just going to be a new series that I put on here for a little bit. I want to get into some more things like our garden and our chickens and our homeschool and our dogs, like all the things that we love and things that I am enjoying because I'm learning to do more of the homemaking style. I'm learning that I have joy in doing things in the kitchen and doing things from scratch. That I never knew. But as we go through our garden this year, we're also going to take on canning, preserving, doing all the things that we've never done before. We're going to do, so I'm going to take you along with me. So my channel is not changing per se. It's not going to be just homeschool. It is going to be all the things, which was the initial reason behind my YouTube channel to begin with. I wanted my channel to be all the things that I enjoy. And so that's going to be a little bit of everything. Like I said, from homeschooling, homesteading, from, our dogs to our camper, to just DIY projects, to our animals, just all the things that we love and enjoy. I'm going to take you along for the ride in hopes that either one, it makes you smile, to let you know you're not alone in whatever stages you're in and whatever you're going through. Someone is probably out there in the same stage as you are, in the same season you're in. And for 3, if we do something that you've been trying to figure out whether you could do or should do, to give you a little bit of hope to let you know that you can. You can. So that is it. And I'm just going to show you now our camper. I hope you enjoy it. And like I said, it's going to be a new series to where we just slowly show you our renovations. And I cannot wait until we get it finished. There's a long road ahead. Definitely going to be a long road, but it's going to be super, super fun and a big change. Okay, so right now as we sit, we have a fifth wheel camper. We do not have our property yet. We are going to save up some more money and then we're going to go searching for our property. And just a little added bonus, I almost have my real estate license. So super excited about that. A whole nother journey that we'll be going on. Anyways, hopefully you're getting in some water or some tea. I've got some Tazo passion fruit tea here. And you're having a wonderful, wonderful day and enjoying this amazing weather because it has been amazing since Easter. So good, so good. Anyways, y'all have a lovely day. Enjoy my little camper tour for the before and be ready for next week, next Tuesday at 10 a.m. to see our week 1 of renovations. Y'all have a great day. Bye.